nayo na gusika busio asoro botronde ni gongo kumenyibuna nigo ekiombe kiaborki wabakoro Kuasaidiana University ya Kenyatta ime Kaunti ya Kisii na boigo Nyamira babere bakobeka egekaro kiabena sekirenga gusira na chinga ki babuate amakongo nonya nabo nigo babagukwanira chinchira barabe bagukinia chisemi ase orogongo rwa Gusii wetera asumunya kirogo obo Professor Henry nigo baba korwa okobole gochase serikali kubwatuka chibesa asobwango irinde gusira aborki wa bale ase college na Kuasaidiana University.
Formed a group that is a welfare group to make sure that we have the interests of each other at heart. This group has been intact. There is a larger group of KU 1990 that covers the entire the entire country, but then we have a chapter of Kisii and Nyamira. We are urging the parents and the children to hasten and make sure they have filled in those forms of appeal within that period so that they are assisted. Number two, we are again advising that let parents approach those who understand what the forms are, not anybody else.
We are concerned, and I'm talking with the professors in this group. We can contribute and help the government to overcome some of these challenges. And that in future, like now we have these students in high school, as they prepare to join universities, when they get to Form 4, they can start collecting this information at the school. You see, like a mistake was made, you can find an orphan who has gone to Alliance High School, a national school, but this orphan has been sponsored by the uncles and the academics professors and what we call a wage that makes them to survive. So if it is not implemented, it's a challenge, but I want to urge the unions to negotiate, continue talking, because we don't want our students to be disadvantaged by the strike.
So my appeal is to expedite the process of limiting monies to the universities.